The world is witnessing a monumental shift in how we generate and consume energy. As concerns about climate change and the depletion of fossil fuel reserves grow, the renewable energy revolution has emerged as a beacon of hope. This revolution focuses on harnessing the power of the sun and wind, two abundant and inexhaustible energy sources. In this video, we will delve into the significance of renewable energy, the technologies involved, and the potential benefits it brings to our society and the environment. But why would we need renewable energy? Fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, have traditionally dominated the global energy landscape. However, their extraction and burning processes harm the environment, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. Moreover, fossil fuels are finite resources that will eventually run out. This urgent need for a sustainable and clean energy alternative has paved the way for the renewable energy revolution. First, solar power. The sun, an abundant and reliable source of energy, offers immense potential for power generation. Solar power technologies, such as photovoltaic, PV, panels and concentrated solar power, CSP, capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. PV panels consist of semiconductor materials that generate an electric current when exposed to sunlight. At the same time, CSP systems focus sunlight onto a receiver to produce heat, which is then converted into electricity. These technologies have become increasingly efficient and cost-effective, making solar power a viable and attractive option for meeting our energy needs. Solar power offers several advantages over traditional energy sources. First and foremost, it is a clean energy source, producing no greenhouse gas emissions or air pollutants during operation. Solar power systems can also be installed at various scales, from rooftop installations on individual homes to large-scale solar farms, enabling widespread adoption. Solar energy is also decentralized, reducing reliance on centralized power grids and increasing energy resilience. Furthermore, solar power has the potential to create jobs and stimulate economic growth in the renewable energy sector. Second, wind power. Wind power is another prominent source of renewable energy. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy of the wind into electrical energy. When the wind blows, it causes the turbine's blades to rotate, activating a generator that produces electricity. Wind farms, consisting of multiple turbines, are typically located in areas with consistent and strong wind patterns, such as coastal regions and open plains. Wind power possesses numerous advantages that contribute to its growing popularity. Like solar power, wind power is clean and produces no greenhouse gas emissions or air pollution during operation. It is also a renewable resource, making it a sustainable long-term solution. Wind farms can be installed on both land and offshore, providing flexibility in deployment. Additionally, wind power has a relatively quick installation time, allowing for rapidly scaling renewable energy capacity. Now let's discuss the challenges and solutions. While the renewable energy revolution offers promising prospects, it also faces challenges. One significant hurdle is intermittency, meaning that the sun doesn't shine 24/7, and the wind doesn't blow continuously. To address this, energy storage technologies, such as batteries, are being developed to store excess energy generated during peak production, during low or no renewable energy generation periods. Another challenge is the integration of renewable energy into existing power grids. The variability of renewable energy generation requires grid operators to balance supply and demand effectively. This necessitates upgrading grid infrastructure and implementing smart grid technologies to monitor and manage energy flows efficiently. Let's move on to the benefits of the renewable energy revolution. The renewable energy revolution brings numerous benefits to society and the environment. First and foremost, it significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions, mitigating climate change and its associated impacts. It also reduces dependence on fossil fuels, enhancing energy. Secondly, security and reducing geopolitical conflicts related to resource access. Renewable energy sources offer a stable and predictable long-term energy supply, which can help stabilize energy prices and protect against price volatility. Moreover, the transition to renewable energy creates job opportunities in the manufacturing, installation, and maintenance sectors, fostering economic growth and reducing unemployment rates. In conclusion, The renewable energy revolution, powered by the sun and wind, holds immense potential to transform our energy landscape. By harnessing these abundant and clean sources of energy, we can address the challenges posed by climate change, reduce pollution, and create a more sustainable future. As technology advances and economies of scale improve, the cost competitiveness of renewable energy will continue to increase, making it a more accessible and widely adopted solution. The time to embrace the renewable energy revolution is now for the benefit of current and future generations. That's all for now. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section below.